1.
Good evening. Tonight we're going to be discussing long division. Okay, copy into your notes this division problem, 365 divided by 5. The first thing that we need to do when we're doing our division problem is step 1 is to divide. So I know that I can't make any groups of 5 out of the 3, so I need to move over to the digit in the tens place, which is 6. And so I have 36. So I think to myself, what can I multiply by 5 and get something close to 36? Well, the answer to that is 7. My next step is to multiply 7 times 5, and that gets me 35 and brings me to our third step, which is subtract. 36 minus 35 is going to give us 1. Now my next step that I need to do is bring down, and it's this 5 that I need to bring down. And there we go. Now I look at 15. How many groups of 5 can I make out of 15? The answer to that is 3. So now I have repeated the process, divided, now I've multiplied. I'm ready to subtract. 15 minus 15 is going to give me 0. So this problem did not give me a remainder. Now the final step is we need to check the problem, and that is we need to do that by creating a multiplication problem. And that would be taking the quotient times the divisor. 73 times 5 is going to give me 5 times 3 is going to give me 15. Carry the 1. The next problem, 5 times 7 plus 1 is going to give me 36. Pause the video and copy all of this into your notes. Welcome back. We're going to try another problem. This time we're going to have a remainder. Again, my first step is to divide. So I'm going to divide 37 divided by 9. And I'm going to get a 4. Let me undo that. That's not quite what I wanted to do. We're going to have a 4. And that is going to give me, now I multiply, 4 times 9 is going to give me 36. Now it's time to subtract and bring down. My 5. How many 9s can I get out of 15? Well, I can, undo that. I can only get 1. So 1 times 9 is 9. 15 minus 9 is going to give me 6. So I bring my 6 up here to make a remainder of 6. Now we need to check the problem. So the first step we need to do is 9 times 1 gives me 9. Then 9 times 4 gives me 36. Well, what do we do with the remainder? We need to add the remainder. 369 plus 6 will give us 375. Pause the video and copy this problem into your notes. If you didn't do this on the first time, please copy down all 6 steps into your notes for the long division. Welcome back. This time I would like you to try this problem. $8.85 divided by 3. Pause the video. You should have gotten $2.95. Check your work to see if you got all the parts correct. Now I'd like you to check the problem. So take $2.95 and multiply it by 3. Pause the video. This is what you should have written. Notice that I also carried my 1 and my 2 to the next division or the next parts. If you have any questions, ask me tomorrow in class.